Hi everyone, Ty with TopperEZLift. We have a little short bed 5-foot Tacoma with an ARE cap. A few unique things that are unique about the install is the actuator on the driver's side had to be turned around, so we couldn't put the control box. We actually had to flip the wire harness and move the control box to the other side so it can slide in the channel facing us. The other thing that's unique, the front actually moves cab side and attaches the cab side rail or track. If you don't have these tracks, they're about 50 bucks online. We also took all the wiring and ran it down the little weep holes in the truck, so it's a real clean install. All the wiring and all the wiring harnesses come up through the back control box corners, so it's all tucked away and it's real clean. So this is a little 5-foot Tacoma, Rangers, Nissans, little 5-footers, actuators inside the bed, mounted cab side. Worked out great, guys. Ty with TopperEZLift. See you later.